You did it.
Ta-da! Very nice,
How did
Jackson.
you do that? It is magical. Grouch Dad. They want Grouch Sons.
Mom,
Yes?
where's that your dog?
Would you like to do another maze?
Yeah. This is it. This is the easy one.
So they're starting to get harder now. You're gonna have to flip it over and see how the one is on the back.
Look,
Very nice. Look, Daddy.
look. Daddy, look. This one is easy.
Go slowly. Excellent. Was a little tricky though, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. What?
Look, what does it say?
Daddy, what does it say?
It says, time to brush. Help the walrus find the toothbrush. Tricky.
Not tricky.
What? What do you mean not tricky? Tricky.
Yeah. Not tricky.
You did it.
Great. Look at this next one. It's very strange. The one with the bug.
Oh.
What does it
This
say?
one says, a lost shoe. Help the bug find its shoe. Tricky.
Not tricky.
What? Ooh, tricky, Ricky. Ah!
What you have to do, go back.
Trapped.
Dad, pull it with the tricky commentary, okay? Let me concentrate.
Wait. Is there some more after that?
They're not called after that. What are they called?
Is there some more?
Yes, there is.
Or what? Some of them. How do I do it?
You said you wanted a hard one.
Uh-oh. Trapped.
Mm-mm. You can go in there, but then, alright, you got the carrot.
Look.
Look, Daddy, now turn it over. The next one's pretty hard, too. This one says, help the first cat find the other cats. And he has to go in a fish maze, right? Oh, come on. That was a snap. A snapperdoodle. Wasn't it?
Yeah, but look.
Alright.
Look, Daddy.
Okay, now let's put your name on it.
I make some faces.
Oh,
Can I make faces?
sure.
Because I don't want to make something else.
And when you finish with faces, can you give me a little tour, a video tour of the house? I'll walk around with the camera, and you pretend I've never been here before. And you show me the place. Ooh, everybody look outside for a second. Look how pretty our shower curtain glistens in the sun. With all the sun coming through it, it's like a prism. You see?
Yeah.
Nobody cares but Mommy. Okay.
I do. I don't care.
You do? Thank you, honey. How about you, Dad? You care too? You do?
What I made. What fish I made on the fish one.
Ooh.
I
Okay.
made this one.
All right, very nice. Tap the marker.
No, another man.
Give me a tour first. You're so good at that. When Jenny was here yesterday, Daddy,
Yeah.
you should have heard Jackson giving her the tour.
Jackson knows how to give tours.
Yeah, of the whole house.
What? Let me see.
Well, one, I'll show you the whole upstairs and the whole downstairs.
Okay, ready?
Start down here.
Okay, start me off.
One. This is the living room,
Okay.
and this is the bathroom. And
I can't see the bathroom. It's too dark in here.
look,
Get in.
look. And
Oh, it's nice. Okay.
this one.
Who stacked these boxes? A ghost?
Right
Oh, okay.
Now I have to do the people.
No, we're doing the tour now. We'll come back and do that later. Show me the dining room. Please.
Take
Keep
a
going.
picture of everything I want to show you.
Okay.
Upstairs is
All right.
the TV.
Okay, right.
Second,
I'm watching it. I'm zooming in.
and the tray.
Right. Let me see yourself. Okay. There's the tray. What else?
The TV.
This is a TV that you sleep on?
The bed.
Yeah. Okay.
But I want to
Now you gotta keep going upstairs.
No. True.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, Sylvie. No more of that. Whoa, evil face. You're gonna come right off the bed. Whoa. You're looking in the wrong place. You gotta look in here. This is where you look.
Oh. You're looking.
Okay, silly. Whoa! Come on. Okay, what's going on in here? Nothing? Put the piano in here for now, and the... Where did we get that from? Grandma. No, don't move that. That's too heavy for you. Show me the rest. What's this over here?
The golden room.
Woo! This the runaround room?
Yeah.
Show me how you run around. Oh, the ghost room. Okay, run around that way, and I'll follow you. Go. Now turn right here, turn right here, turn right here, turn right here. Oh, you didn't turn. Okay. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, I'll chase you upstairs. Ready? Ready, steady, go. Run. I'm coming on your heels. I'm coming on your back. I'm right here. Ta-da! He's up here.
You did it.
Okay. Here's your computer. Here's your books. Show me Mommy's bedroom. Calendar.
Here's your room.
Yeah, that's not my room, silly. Here's my room. Here's Mommy in the mirror. Hello. Okay.
Here's
Here's our TV.
This is a ghost room.
Whoa! Crazy ghost toy. Oops, don't choke yourself now.
A ghost choking room. A ghost choking.
Check this out.
A ghost choking room.
This is me. Eee. Eee. This is you. Okay, show me the bathroom now.
This is a ghost.
Okay, you're being silly now. I'm not going to follow you. Here's Mommy's closet with her clothes hanging out. Here's the bathroom, quite a mess. Woohoo! And here's Daddy's closet, very spiffy. Daddy has a very spiffy closet. Very nicely arranged. Mommy doesn't have time for that. And here's the room where we're storing all the boxes that we're not. We haven't touched. Oh! Okay, show us the room with the purple bathroom now. Oh! You okay? Oh my goodness, honey. Be careful. He just fell right over. Okay. This is the room with the purple bathroom.
Come on.
Shower curtains on under you. This is where we stuff the armoire, and there's boxes. Okay, now. Follow Jaxson. Jaxson likes to call this part of the stairs the belly. Oh, well, we're taping. Okay, well, wait a second. We're almost done. This is Jackson's bedroom. This is how we set up. This is how we set up your stuff. But where is Jaxson? Where is he? What? Hello. This is the piece of furniture that used to be in the living room with the CD player on it. Is it? Here's his closet where we've arranged some of his toys, and here's his clothes. Coming in. Here's his bathroom. Seen it, been there, done that. And this is the other room where we just put this one thing. Jackson's playing with Flick. What happened? Is his batteries gone? Press.
Archie, what kind of bug are you?
What kind of bug are you? And this is the wall. And we played together today. And in here, we put boxes and more toy storage and whatever. And then these boxes are going to go probably in the basement. And then we'll take the basement and that'll be it. Okay.